Perhaps you've heard of the phrase, third time's a charm. Well, in this series, we will look at this principle as it relates to mathematical card magic. So here in this introductory video, we are simply going to give you kind of a simple example of the kinds of things you can do using this most remarkable principle. Okay? So here I have, as you can tell, a shuffled deck of cards. So what we need to do is I need you could actually do the dealing from this point, or I can do it. I need you to deal out one card for each letter in your first and last name. So let's say your name is Robert Jones. Okay? So R-O-B-E-R-T, Robert, J-O-N-E-S, Robert Jones. At this point, we're going to apply the third time's a charm principle. We'll do this by simply spelling out your first name, Robert, 3 times. R-O-B-E-R-T, drop the rest on top. R-O-B-E-R-T, drop the rest on top. And finally, R-O-B-E-R-T. Now, how would we know whether or not we've accomplished something surprising? Well, let's just take a look at the cards at the top of this packet. Ooh, that's nice. An ace of clubs. Oh, an ace of hearts. An ace of spades. No way. An ace of diamonds. That is amazing. How did you do that? And I have a feeling that we've done even more than this. I think we've actually also brought to the top the most popular card in the entire deck. And that would be the lovely Queen of Hearts. How in the world did you do that? Well, it's the third time's a charm principle in action is what it is. Okay, so that's the kind of thing you'll be able to do and create routines similar or even better than that one using this principle that we're going to explore. Okay?